Cardio Wednesday. I'm going to march it out. So this is all about foam roller this week. So we're going to do a quick warm up. I would use this in a core class. It's great fun to just use different equipment. And the foam roller allows for a couple of different things. So I'm going to go wide. So all I'm doing here is squeezing my hands together as hard as I can. Creating shoulder pressure, wide march. Then here we go. We're going to lift up. And squeeze. Don't let go of that foam roller. It creates a lot of tension in the shoulders. And then bring it out to the side. I'm playing. Hit that perfect beat. Push. Reach. The lower you go, the more you'll use your legs. And then up again. So I'm going to go 4, 3. Now this is a quickie workout today, but I want to keep it cardio. Center, side. So this is going to work the core because you're rebounding off of the side. And then I'm going to push. Oh, yeah. Push, push. You got it. Side to side. Go low and high. Work that stroke. If you're a golfer, tennis player, remember, I'm squeezing my hands together. Oh, yeah. Back to center. Add a hamstring curl. Oh, yeah. We're going the other way. Reach. And you can just play around with it. Couple more. Give me high knees right here. Bring it in. Then you can tap that knee. You got it. One more set. Doubles. You're going to do triples. 4. Now I'm still squeezing my chest muscles. My shoulders are hitting fatigue right now. Center, side to side. Punch it out. One more time. Then I'm going to take those arms over the rainbow. Watch. Elbow. Again, using the core. Pull the elbows in. Oh, yeah. I'm feeling this. Give me a single, single, double. 1, 2, push. Let's do 2 more, just like that. And you could squat it on one leg to get more leg work. All right, here we go. Tap, out, arms, up, tap, out. How about spin it? Add more legs. Oh yeah, I got that feeling. Remember, this is all cardio. So up the ante, right here, repeater. Challenge your core by taking the arms back. Ooh, this takes coordination. Back to center. Push. Push. You got it. We're almost done. I know, 5 minutes goes fast. Reach. Single leg squat. We're ready. Repeater. Now I'm going to do something different on this one, just because we only have a few minutes together. Up, squeeze, up, open up the chest. One more, just like that. Chest, and push it. Squeeze, squeeze. Give me that row. Shoulder blades together, so you're doing back work. Got that? Here we go. Tap it again. Down, down. 4 more, come on. All right, my heart rate's up. Side to side. We're going to end up at the very end with a 2-year-old tantrum. You ready? Okay. Just keep doing this. All the way around the house. Squeeze, contract, push. You can dance it, but just keep using those arms. We got a few more seconds. We are there. 4, 3, 2. Cardio workout with the foam roller. Who would have thought?